Mastering the preposition at in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll dive into the intriguing world of prepositions. Specifically, we're focusing on the simple preposition at, as it's used to indicate specific places. Understanding at is vital for speaking and writing English correctly. So, let's get started. At is a versatile preposition of place used to point to the specific location where something is happening or where something or someone is situated. For instance, consider these sentences. I am at the bus stop. They are at the park. We are at the library. In all of these examples, at is used to show the specific location where the action is taking place. In English, at is often used with particular structures or phrases. Here are a few examples. 1. With addresses. 2. She lives at 123 Main Street. 3. With certain place nouns. 4. We met at the intersection. 5. With places of study, work, or leisure. 6. He studies at the university. 7. I work at the factory. 8. She exercises at the gym. Now that you have a better understanding of using at, it's also crucial to know there are exceptions. While at is used to denote specific locations, in some contexts, we use other prepositions. For instance, we say, in a city, or, in a country, not, at a city, or, at a country. However, don't let these exceptions deter you. As you continue to learn and practice English, the appropriate use of prepositions will become second nature. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on using the preposition at for specific places. I hope this lesson has made it easier for you to understand and use this versatile preposition. Remember, English is a rich and complex language, and it's perfectly okay to make mistakes as you learn. Practice makes perfect. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using at like a pro. Stay tuned for our next video where we will explore more about prepositions. Until then, keep practicing, and happy learning.